Hi, my name is Nicole. Get ready to take it to the floor with this booty shaping workout. Let's do it. All right, you guys, we're gonna start with some donkey kicks. So you're gonna bring those hands directly underneath your shoulders. Start with the outside leg, push it up and down, up and down. So you could flex or point the foot. You wanna pull your belly into the spine, feel your glutes squeeze right where the butt and thigh meet. Feel that muscle. Love the burn. The burn is your friend. Give me 4 more. 3, 2. Now hold it up and pulse. Pulse it up, tiny pulses. Feel that fire going into the glutes. Yes. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Take it up and open. Up and open. Good. Push, rotate. So now we're not just getting the big meaty part of our booty muscle, we're also getting the outside hip area. It all works together to create a nice, shapely booty. That's right. 4 more. 3, 2. Now give me up and over, up and down. Yes, bring it in. So up, cross, and down. You want that knee to cross the other knee, and then bring it down. Pushing straight up, cross, and down. Make sure that knee actually crosses the other knee. You don't want it to not make it all the way over. You want to feel that extra butt burn. 4 more. Woo. Burn it. 3. Keep your belly in nice and tight. 2. Come on. Last one. Now give me a lateral raise right here. Lift. We call this the fire hydrant. You know what the dogs do. We're lifting that knee up. Give me 8, 7. Now at times your hands or your wrists may start to hurt. If so, you can go on your elbows. But you can stay up here if you like the hands. I like to stay high. 3, 2. Now hold it up and pulse. 8, come on, get it up. Burn it. Those abductors burning out. Yes, your abs are engaged. We're 4, 3, 2, hold, and release. Ooh, shake it out. We're gonna bring it back to a child's pose and bring it back up, extend, out, in. Now we're getting those hamstrings activated. I know that was a short break. We don't need breaks though, it's only 10 minutes. 10 minutes to turn that booty up. Yes, 4 more, 3, 2, hold it out, pulse it up. Extend that foot to the end of the room, point the toes, work those buns of steam right here. Come on, we want that booty to pop. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now can you give me some rainbows? Take it up, cross, up, over. Yes, rainbows just like my pants. 8 more. Yes, let's do it. 7. I'm burning with you, trust me. 6, ooh, right here. 5, all the way up, draw that rainbow. 4, 3, abs tight, you're there. 2, last one. Hold it up, bring it back up, pulse it and draw a circle. 7, 6, I promise this is it. 4, 3, 2, reverse the circle. Yes, the circle of life right here. 4, 3, 2, hold it, and release. Oh, sit back, child's pose, you deserve a good stretch. But now we gotta do the other side. So flip it over. Let's work that booty, push it up and down. Hands directly under your shoulders, still pulling up through the spine. Yes, belly in. 7, 6, ooh, 5, 4 more, 3, 2, hold it up, pulse, pulse, tiny pulses. Feel where that thigh and booty meet. Get it nice and tight for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up and open. Take it up, open, up, open. You guys are gonna have the nicest booties all year long. That's right, come on. 8, 7. You gotta squeeze it when you go up. Yes. 5. Give me 4. 3, 2. Up and over, up and down, up, cross, up, drop. So push it up high. Feel that butt get nice and hard when you push it up to the ceiling. I like to pretend I'm pushing off the haters. Yeah, 4 more. That's right. 3. Keep moving. 2. 1 more. Okay, give me that lateral raise right here. Fire hydrant up. Yes. The key to get the nice tight booty is to keep going when you feel that burn. We love the burn. The burn is our friend. Come on, give me 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up and pulse up. I know, stay with me. We're gonna finish together, team. Nice and strong, give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold and release. Quick, quick, quick stretch. Bring it back up, we're not done. Extend it out, in. Hamstrings, it's like those leg curl machines you see in the gym. Well, you don't need them, you could just use your leg right here. Add your own resistance. 3, 2, hold it out and pulse it up. Point your toe, push away from the ground, let it go. Finish with me, give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, rainbow time, up, over, up, down. Yes, rainbows are so beautiful, like your booty. Let's do it. Come on, 6 more. Right here. 5, woo, 4, 3, higher, come on. 2, and 1. Hold it up and draw a circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reverse the circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold and release. Sit back, child's pose. Beautiful. Now let's quickly take it to our side. You're gonna lie down, 90-degree angle, and open it up. Lift it up, actually. Lift, angle the knee down. There you go, lift it. 8, 7, getting the abductors. 6, 5, 4, 3, hold it up and pulse, pulse. Tiny pulses right here. Burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, rotation, knee and heel, knee, heel, knee, heel. So it's so easy to just lay down and relax, but that's not why you're here. You're here for a good workout, engaging your abs, your booty, everything. 4 more. 3, 2. Now bring that knee into your chest, bring it in. Kick out, in, out, in, out. Squeeze on that out. Kick that door down. Anything that's stopping you from having the best booty, you gotta kick it out of your way. 3 more. Yes. 2. Hold it back, pulse it up. Turn your toe down. Yes, we're still burning. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring it in front, pulse it, pulse it. Let's go. We're done right here. We're almost done for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold and release. Other side, you guys. We're almost to that finish line. Let's do this. Lift it up and down, up. Now, you can go nice and flat on your lift. Make sure you don't let the knee open up. Then you're just getting quad and thigh. We're trying to get booty. Yes, the hip. Hold it up and pulse right here. And if you want to go a little harder, you can even angle the knee down. That's right. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. Bring it in and heel. Knee, heel for 10, 9, 8. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3. Bring your knee in and out, in, out. You even feel a little crunch on this move when you're kicking down that door, right? You bring the knee into your chest and you push the legs straight, squeezing everything. Let's do this. 4 more. Oh, 3, 2. Hold it back and pulse it up. Turn that toe down. You guys are almost done. Those buns are on fire, I know, but you're gonna thank me later, yes? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring it in front of that belly button, still pulsing. Get to the end. Together, friends, let's do this. Squat goals right here. The booty squat for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold and release. Oh my gosh, you did it. Let's go ahead and stretch it out. Way to work. We're gonna lie down on the back. Bring that foot over your knee. Pull into your chest as you push the knee away with the elbow. Such a good stretch. Stretching out the back of that hip. You deserve it. Other side. Push it away. Beautiful. This is the best part of the workout, right? All right, let's go ahead and roll it up. You're gonna take your legs out, cross that front, and twist. Stretching out your back. Other side. Feel that twist. Great work, you guys. My name is Nicole, and that was my booty workout. See you next time.